Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is scope resolution operator. It has got two uses. First of all, it is used to define a member of a class from outside the class definition itself. And second is, it is also used to access a global variable from a function in which local variable is defined with the same name as global variable. Let us take the second point first. That is, if we have defined the global variable and with the same name we have also defined one local variable in some function, and we want to access both the local variable and the global variable, then we can make use of scope resolution operator. Let us see this program. So here include iostream.h. After that we have defined one variable character a equal to m. Now since this variable is declared outside the scope of any function, therefore it is a global variable for this particular program. Now in the main, again with the same name, the same variable a, we have defined one local variable of type character, and character a equal to s. We have specified s. So now we have got two variables. One is local, another is global with the same name small a. In the local variable, the value of a is s, and in the global variable, the value of a is m. Now, whenever we want to output the local variable, simply we will write cout the local variable is and mention a. That's it. It will automatically output or display the local variable. It will access the local variable. But if we want to access the global variable, then we will have to make use of scope resolution operator. So you can see the second line, cout the global variable is, then scope resolution operator and a. You can see below the output. The first cout statement will display the value s, which is of local variable, and the second output statement will display the value of a as as m, which is assigned in the global variable. Second use of scope resolution operator is, it is also used to define a member of a class from outside the class definition itself. So let us take example for that. So here in this example we have defined one class game, we have mentioned one function play, but here we have not defined the function play inside the class game. We have just declared it. Now it means we can define this function outside the class, and for that the syntax is void, that is a return type, then game, which is the name of the class, then scope resolution operator, then the function name, and then the arguments list, if any. And inside this definition we have written simply cout function defined outside the class. From the main we first of all define one object of type game. So game space small g. So small g is now the object of the class game. Then we can use this object name for accessing any member function which is public inside the class game. So we can access the play because it is the public function inside the class game. So g.play, whenever we do this, then this function will be accessed, and the output of this program will be whatever is written in the cout statement, that is function defined outside the class. Thank you.